Hey, in this video, I will show you how to make a post public on Facebook. It's actually a very simple tutorial that I've updated for 2021 that works on any iPhone and on any Android device. So if you appreciate me making a video just like this, you can go ahead and give me a like for the YouTube algorithm. You can subscribe if you are new. And hey, if you have any questions whatsoever, let me know in the comment section down below. I try to get back to every single comment. And I know it's not very easy. So also comment down below which country are you watching this video from. I'm really curious to know. So to learn how to make a post public on Facebook, it's actually very simple. All you gotta do is just go on the Facebook app, click on the three dashes at the bottom right corner, and it might be on the top right for Android devices. From there, you want to go on your name, on your profile to just find the post, and you just go down below, find the post that you want to make public. You want to click on the three dots right next to it and click on the third option that says edit privacy. Not edit post, you want to click on edit privacy. Here, you can edit the privacy. So far, only friends can see it. You can make it public just like this. Because who can see your post? You can make it public, friends accept, specify friends or only me. When you click public, you want to click on done, and that's all you have to do. If this video helped you out, you can give me a like, because each like helps me out a lot, and I'm uploading hundreds of videos just like this every single week for your value. And if you have any questions that you thought of during the video, let me know in the comment section down below. I would love to help you out. I want to see you in one of the next videos. Bye.